council to be or have judicial license of law in Iran.
One thing though, do you want to translate that last bit? You have to.
Just the one British council that was sort of mediating between the crime that we have to do. It's just something rejected by the academic judge studies.
Yeah. Well, what I would want to say is that, we are, in universities, we are a community of scholars. We do research on these questions, and we will come up with different answers in different societies. But we shouldn't assume that because a person is more qualified, that they will do a better job at mediation. That's an empirical question. We need to do the